Checking in. This is That's Trending. Another episode on Currently Trending Live. We have a special guest in the building. I want to welcome to the stage, to our platform, Recording Artist El Shaddai.
Yes, El Shaddai.
Why did I feel like when I put that stage on me, I welcome you? That's
No,
crazy.
you'd have to put more on that.
El Shaddai.
Yeah.
I like the name, but for the audience that are curious, let's dissect the name a little bit. Where does the name come from?
Okay, so I used to go to cosmetology school, and this lady came in, and she would always call me El Shaddai because my name is Shada or Sade. So she would always call me El Shaddai, and I asked her what it meant, and she played a song, and the song was called El Shaddai, and it's like of God or God Almighty, and you know God is my first love, so
Right.
I was honored. And then when I decided to do music, my uncle at the time, he was like, "What are you gonna call yourself?" I'm like, El Shaddai. So a lot of people don't know what it means, but a lot of people do know what it means.
It's a very unique name. It's not common at all. It's nothing that you expect.
Right.
Isn't it? So I just hope that people see it for what it is and respect it for what it is.
Absolutely.
So let's just highlight a few things that I feel like the viewers need to know. The African Achievement Award, that was a big opportunity for you.
Yes, it was. A shout out to Mr. Davies. He called me up and he was like, he wants to feature my song at the time, Tip.
That song, The Tough.
Yeah, my first song. So he wanted to feature it, and I had the video out, and I was honored for that because, as a new artist, he gave me that opportunity.
The reason why I see it as an achievement is just to be on that platform.
Of course.
You know what I mean? To share the stage and to be highlighted in such a manner.
Of course.
In the early stage of your career, just to be on that platform says a lot. It says that your music is being recognized by other people.
Yes.
And that's a big thing for me because as a young artist, that's an impact. So
Absolutely.
don't take the things that will happen small.
No,
Use them
I
as
don't.
motivation.
I don't. It's one more,
one more thing accomplished. Yeah, to be a part of that is a great deal. So I also know that I want to get a little background. You were in the military at some point. Like, tell us about this military thing, because we want to see how you get into this music thing. Because before you got into music, there's a little, you were into military. What's going on?
Yeah, I still have the army in me. You can't get rid of it once you join. But yes, I am a retired airborne soldier. I was in the army. I stationed in Italy. Yeah.
How was that experience?
Terrible.
Oh my God. I make you sing songs like Dolly Don.
Well,
I'm just saying because the military gives a tough essence.
Yeah, it does.
And then you do come off more like a hardcore artist. So you know what I mean?
Punch,
and then you know what I mean, the Dolly Don song is very popular. It's doing waves, doing numbers.
Yes.
I listen to it. I like it.
Yes.
So I'm just trying to tie it to a little butt girl, like
apart from the military, I'm from jungle, so
that'd be a tough butt girl there. I go out. What going? Jungle in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it started from core, and then the military just added on to the badness. So
what was your dream before music though?
Before music, I'm great at hair and makeup. I still have my clients. They still love me. So before music, I wanted to start a mobile salon service in Connecticut.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I ended up starting a rental company.
So it sounds like you're a businesswoman at the same time,
Yeah, definitely. Business is always first for me. I don't never stop.
I like the fact that you stay active.
Yeah.
And stay moving. Why do you leave out the fact that were you into the hair hostess thing at some point? What's going on?
That's what I would. When I was growing up, I wanted to be a hair hostess because I lived in Jamaica. I wanted to travel. I wanted to leave Jamaica.
Oh, so it was just it was that off of that
it
essence.
It was a way out.
Oh, okay. You just wanted to leave.
Yeah.
All right. So school. Tell us about school.
School, after the military, I just did, like, really and truly, I didn't know what I wanted to do, so I went into the nursing field. I didn't like it. Shout out to all the nurses. You guys do a great job. I didn't like it, so I finished the program that I was in, but I just didn't pursue it. Then I went into beauty, which I love. I love beauty. Look at me. I'm always trying to dress up.
You're staying trendy.
Right?
You know, this brings a very intriguing question because the fans will like to know. I mean, you just give us a little background, but here's the magical question that I feel like everyone would like to know. How did you get into music? Like the background of music. Was there like a family member? How does the musical journey started? Like what started that?
To be honest, music has always been in my blood. I remember myself performing with my stepdad, my sister's father. He used to bring me to his stage shows and stuff when I was around 10 or even earlier. So I kind of got a taste of stage. But growing up, and I used to write music.
So you used to write?
When I was younger, I have some silly ass songs. I'm sorry.
I'm pretty sure you were just getting your skills together.
Yeah.
But you know, here you are now making real music.
Yeah.
And having fun with it.
You grow with time. You grow with time. But really and truly, I never paid attention to music when I got in America. I just stopped doing music. But my grandmother passed away last year.
Condolences.
Yes. And thank you. And for an escape, you know, I started listening to beats with my my uncle, and he was like, you know, you could do this. Like, but I'm a silly person. Yeah. I'm always like making up silly songs and stuff. So that's when Tip was born. Yeah. The beat came on and it sounded like a lolly beat in a sense. So I was like, himself a tip, and he was like, yeah, keep going. And I started.
That's how Tip started.
That's how Tip started, yeah.
Viewers.
And that's how music started, Grandma.
That's dope.
Shout out to Paulette.
I don't know, but the viewers, I don't know, guys, if she will give us a freestyle, but let's see. We're going to get more into the type of songs you do. The type of songs you do. So how do you describe the songs you do? The type of songs you do?
When I make music, I try to make fun music. I try to make music that I will listen to. I'm a selfish person when it comes to music. Like, people will tell you, I want to play what I want to hear. So I try to play music that I know is going to gravitate to the ladies, because the men are going to watch anyways. So naturally, once I catch the ladies, I'm good.
The rest is history.
Right. So I try to sing for them. Unfortunately, kids do like my songs.
Music is an instrument. You don't tell it what to do, you know? If the audience like it, the audience like it.
I'm trying to clean it up a little bit, so I've been working on that.
All right, that's cool. One of the most amazing thing, I mean, in your young career, you already dropped an album.
Yes.
And I want you guys to support listening to our album. Tell them the name of your album.
Dolly Dan.
That's the name of the album. And yes. I think that's produced by
Mario Chief.
You know, we have to highlight the producers. That, you know, because behind every great song, there is a producer that made it the song that it is.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? You have the golden voice, and he's doing all the mixing and mastering. And I think that's a dope duo. What's it like working with Mario, though?
It's, oh my gosh, he's annoying. Shout out to Wave Fusion also. He's a producer on the beat.
Right.
On some of my beats. But Mario, oh my gosh. I would say Ike, but not the hidden part, because he knows.
Yeah.
But when how Ike is with Tina,
Facts.
when it's like, yo, leave me alone. But I
Yeah.
can't tell him to leave me alone because he wants me to do good. But god damn,
They always say though, the person that wants the best for you might be annoying.
it's very annoying.
But they see something that you possess.
Yeah.
And they just want to bring it out so you could be more creative. Like you have songs like on an album like Dolly Don,
Yeah.
which I like that song. It give me like a dope vibe.
Yeah.
Carnival.
Oh gosh, everybody love Carnival.
Carnival is dope. I think you should push this album because of the fact that it has a mixture, a little bit of everything.
Everything on there.
And the girl them will love it, like you said. You know what I mean? Carnival can play it anyway. And I like that. As a bad girl.
As a bad girl.
Yes, see me. Not a comparison, just saying it give me a Shensia vibe, but I like the flow, I like the delivery on the track, and Problem. You give Problem?
I don't really give Problem, but I can give Problem.
No, man, you have to keep it real, man. I sing a song named Problem. You have to say, say.
But I say, me not too talk, me not cause problem.
People, follow our career and you will see. You see me? Because a person will call ourselves Dolly Dan and our fans them, call her Dolly Dan. I don't know if that's a problem or that's a good thing, but we will find out. But dope production.
Thank you.
Dope work. Keep doing it. Don't stop.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Since you've been doing music, right? What have you noticed that has been like your strength and weaknesses? That's a dope question.
My strength is on stage.
So you like performing?
Yeah, I enjoy performing. My weakness is also on stage, whereas
get nervous.
Yeah.
Anxiety.
Yeah, I gotta say a prayer before I go up there.
So you actually do something before you go on stage.
I pray.
I like that.
Yeah. So it's a blessing and a curse because you're nervous. You're like, I don't want to fuck up, but
you have to stay focused.
Yeah.
And do what excites you.
Absolutely.
People that influence you.
Mario Chief.
Mario Chief, number one.
He's dope. All around. He's an all-arounder.
Oh, really? So he's a good influence. Yeah. Give us some artists too, like artists that artists
that I really like. I do like Shensia. I think Shensia is pretty dope.
Right.
Even though she kind of changing up her style a little bit, but to each his own. Jada, I love Beyonce. I know
Beyonce's dope.
Virgo vibe. Rihanna. Yeah, all the females them out there that's doing their thing.
You like, the ladies in the business doing what they do.
Absolutely.
What separates you
from the others?
From the others.
El Shaddai.
Give us two words that makes you stand out. Let's put it like that.
I would say I'm unique.
Unique.
I would say I'm unique, and I'm very artistic, especially when it comes to style and how my looks.
So image is important to you.
Very important.
Ooh, look at you on set. She came out, she represent, and she came out as an artist.
Yes.
I want to commend you for that because you are doing what you're supposed to do.
Absolutely.
The first thing a person see when they see you is your image.
Absolutely.
Isn't it? So that's the biggest thing, and I love that. So my next question is, you're doing all this work. Any collaborations coming up? Are we looking for El Shaddai, collaborating with other artists and stuff like that? You're open to that?
I have a song with Chuck Fender.
Okay.
It's not out yet, but shout out to Chuck Fender. I have a song. I have a lot of songs with Mario, obviously, but for me, I would shout out to Turn Up. I have a song with Turn Up as well, Young Turn Up. But for me, I would love to collaborate with Shensia. Shoot, our voice is kind of on the same wave. I think that would be a dope
duo.
Definitely.
I think that'd be dope. Yeah. I think that would be great.
Shout out to Spice. Shout out to Nikki. All the females. Shoot.
So you're open for collabs?
I'm open for collabs if it makes sense and if it's not something that's not tasteful.
Got you.
I'm down.
All right, so let's pull a story.
Story time.
Story time. You know, how do you move in the streets as an artist? Do you feel like in your, surrounding, how do you go about promoting your music? How does the DJ support work? How does the radio thing work? You know, who's keeping you motivated and pushing you when it comes to that stuff? Because promotion is big. You have to promote. You have to get airplay.
Yep.
You know, how does that work? Like when you're in the streets, like do you move with a team or what's that look like?
I have a team, mostly family.
Right.
We're all family.
Family is team.
Yep. So I have a team. For me, I feel like I get a fight in a sense. Like I'm dope and I feel like they're scared to play my music, you know? And that's to each his own. I guess they're waiting for me to bust the right way so they can gravitate to it. Which...
Well, this is what the platform is for, is to bring the obvious. So,
obvious.
You know what I mean? If you're dating, you just have to find that set of people that's pushing you and ride the wave with those set of people. And you don't have to worry about nobody.
I do have a set of people that push me. Shout out to Cindy. She pushed me. Mario Chief, myself, my mom. You know, people who really mess with me, they show love. And you know when they mess with you, when they show love, because you're gonna see it daily. I feel like for the most part, I don't care about what others want to push, because at the end of the day, it's gonna speak for itself, and the right people are gonna see it, and the right people will push it.
Which leads me to my next unique question that follows and complements that.
Yeah.
What's your philosophy? Something that you stand by.
I believe in being real. Like, I'm big on no fakeness around me. I believe in karma. So it's like I try to put good energy, put good spirit out there. I try to really be a good person for the most part, because you know not everything I do is gonna come off as good in other people's eyes.
Just be real.
Right.
I think that's what I took from that, and I think that's a good thing for you to stay real to yourself and stay real to who's real to you.
Absolutely.
All right. I was gonna say 3, but give me 2 reasons why someone should listen to El Shaddai music.
Oh my gosh.
I was going to say 3. Just give me 2. I don't know you. I'm getting to know you. 2 reasons why I should take the time and listen to your album.
Relatable. Good vibes.
All right, cool. We're going to work with that because that's what she said. People like and share in the comment section. If you feel our energy, and check out our album again. It's out. Dolly done. Isn't it? So my next question is, how do you want to be remembered, you know, when you after you're doing all this musical journey?
When I retire from this?
Yeah, like how do you want to be remembered?
Somebody that really give back, somebody that really, you know, help. Like I really I think that for me, making it in the music industry, which wasn't a plan of mine 2 years ago, you know, it'll make me be able to give back as much as I can. Right now, I really can't give much. I've been giving everything I have to my...
I get what you said. I get what you said. Well, we're at a part of our podcast.
Oh, gosh.
We're at a part where most artists get scared. People get out of their seat.
Oh gosh, I can run?
You can't run. This part of our podcast is called Keep It 100.
Okay.
Keep it real. This is the part where we draw out a different side of you.
All right.
Now you say barbs, right? That's what your fans are called?
Dollies.
You know, dollies. Okay. Dolly comes off to me soft, feminine. But anyways, Dolly done. Are the dollies, which is the soft version. Which persona wins for you? Are you more of the soft type of person or the rough type of person?
Depending on the situation.
Well, on most days.
I'm soft.
So you're a barb.
Yeah.
On most days.
I'm pretty soft.
So most people is gonna feel like, okay, I like her music, but you know, the real person is mellow. That's dope.
Mellow.
That's dope.
I don't really talk to like that.
No, that's cool. That's cool. It sounds like you're a loner.
Introvert, yeah.
That's dope. You know, that's the new wave to be in your own
But I'm a
zone.
friendly person. Like I'm a people person as well. So it's crazy.
All right. Let's do lyrics, right?
Oh gosh.
In Dolly Don,
Mm-hmm.
you said when the plane touched down, pure Dolly Don.
Yeah.
Rent pay by the side man.
Uh-huh.
You ever have a side man? That is my question. Have you ever had a side man?
I mean,
El Shaddai.
I'm not gonna lie, you know, gotta keep it real. Yeah.
Okay.
Of course.
What was that experience?
Too much work.
Wow.
The problem. That's the problem.
We're getting into some stuff here. Like, people, like, share, and subscribe if you like a reaction to all of this. We're getting to know El Shaddai, and we're getting to know our music at the same time. All right, so next song, I Love It.
Oh gosh.
So, just curious. Pick one: rough sex or gentle?
It can't be in the middle.
No.
The
Dolly down them wait.
Gentle.
Gentle.
I mean, yeah, for the most part, yeah, gentle.
Okay. All right. So you did say earlier that you've had a sideman, but you have waist boy. So you ever date a guy and I'm a waist boy as a gentle?
I mean, yeah.
You ever had that experience too?
Yeah. I can't sing about what I've never experienced.
You did say earlier that your songs are relatable.
Very relatable.
Let's talk about some girl. You ready for talk about some girl?
Yes.
Let's talk about some girl. Lala. You watch me, me now watch you.
Lala.
Yeah, who you that?
Oh, God.
Call her name. Call the girl name. Who you that in the song there? Because you say you're relatable, that means most of the things them real. And you say you're a real person earlier. So we have to keep it real.
That song is for an ex.
Wow.
It is.
An ex?
An ex.
So your ex are watching.
Nah, I tell you.
And you're not watching. But anyways, my final question, I think this will be dope. If you had the chance to pick between these two artists to do a collab with right now, Lady Saw or Rihanna?
Lady Saw.
All day. Why?
Oh, I forgot to mention Lady Saw. I love Lady Saw.
I know you do.
Yeah, of course.
I know you do. So you pick Lady Saw. That's cool. Do you feel like giving the audience a freestyle? Do you feel like blessing the audience that are watching right now with what El Shaddai has in store?
Okay.
Keep it trending.
Keep it real.
Keep it real. People, check her out. El Shaddai is going to take us away and close our show today with, a little freestyle. El Shaddai, you're on the floor. Kill it.
Listen now. Go for we, I go for them. My style unusual, I copy them. El Shaddai on the block, money I spend. Bad gal outside, nothing no men. Go for we, I go for them. Go for we, I go for them. Go for we, I go for them. Bad gal outside, money I spend. Go for the matting, make me clap it, pan automatic. Dan a designer, the pan armor fabric. This the thing when my gal disappear like magic. Three in a them head that me call a hat trick. No boy can't style me same run a battery. Me send a dolly gal for set him up and go for pappy. Link him outside, I catch him in the lobby. At that him forget him a move sloppy. Drive by too shatty, oh that too catty. Bad gal outside, winner inner, no chattings. Knock knock, oh slap him. Mask up too dopey, knock knock, bad are outside no me, no backing.
Yo, this is That's Trending. I just want to say, I never heard you flow in real life.
You ain't never been to none of my performances?
I'm not talking like that. This is like right next to me.
Acapella.
Yeah, no beat. You see me? And I really like the flow.
Thank you.
I want you to keep, strong on your journey.
Thank you.
Stay trending.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And create some hit songs.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So big up yourself, Dolly,
and
down in
thank
the
you so
building.
much for having me here. This is well overdue.
Fucks.
Well,
If me want to ask you for more freestyle, don't make me ask. Give me one. Give me the Dolly down. Give me one more.
You know me yadi dally dan. Man a for follow back a make a me no follow man. Me a real bad gal, ain't no other one. Jungle is poop grenade, boom, drop a bomb. El Shaddai, yemo balla than the Taliban. TG, Southside cause avalanche. One bag of gal a pull up, not a caravan. Bad a patrol, pull up on water bomb. Bam bam, money long like Matalan. I'm a swear pa my life, never beg a man. I am fierce, I'm a father, make a dan. Shot bite up gal fierce like Megladan. Me a the dolly, yeah, the veteran, the better one. Bonner boy skin winning.
Yo, people, that's all we can give for right now. Checking out, this is That's Trending, an episode on Currently Trending live. El Shaddai in the building, aka Dolly Dan, aka what? Barbs.
Dolly.
Yeah, Zimmy, so big up on yourself. Like, share, and subscribe, and check out the music, the album out now.
Yes.
Dolly Dan out now.
Stream.
Like, share, and subscribe, and stream that. Remember me tell you that this is now trending. Out.